Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In our last video, we've seen about design collaboration, document management, how we can create shared folder, consumed folders, those kind of things. In this video, we'll discuss about model coordination spaces. Means model coordination thing on BIM 360 that BIM 360 will review automatically where are the clashes, where are the issues, and how it will rectify. Those kind of things will detailedly discussed when we'll publish the model on BIM 360. Right now, we are setting all those kind of features in these videos, and then we'll start uploading the models on BIM 360 in our upcoming videos. So let's start with model coordination thing. There are two ways of doing the model coordination spaces. The first one is in the design collaboration option only. Actually, what is design collaboration? Design collaboration technically means is that one that whatever the different kind of designers means architect, MEP, structure, or this kind of designers or consultants are working parallelly in WIP folder, and when they are publishing their model on the shared one, publishing means the final one. It can be weekly basis, can be monthly basis. It depends on the BEP requirement and the submission dates requirements. So right now, what our thinking is that one that we are focusing on the shared folder. Okay, it means the final version of the particular consultant's model. So we wanted to run the clashes in between these models, means the shared one. So what we'll do right now in design collaboration, we have added these folders in shared one. Okay, right now we can see the coordination space is parallelly right there. It means if I'll click on activate this particular architecture model. Okay, so it'll create a coordination space for this particular architecture. Okay, parallelly, I'll go for this one. It means we are, giving the permission to model coordination feature of BIM 360 to consider this model folder as the architecture folder. This one for electrical, this is for mechanical, those kind of things. What we are doing right now, and that's fine. Perfect. Those kind of things will be visible when we upload the models. If I'll click on right there in model coordination again, there is one more feature to create a coordination space, coordination folder. Okay, so that is also a good thing that we can add one folder separately, and we'll add our models right there. Right now, what you can see in models category, add models for the coordination folder in documents management that we'll discuss in document management about that we have discussed. Once model have uploaded, will automatically look for the clashes. It means the models are not right there, so that is why it is not uploading. It's not reviewing the models. Okay, but when we'll upload the models, we'll review. Right now, we can see that all the four services folder are right there, but the model is not right there in document management. That is why it is not running the clashes. Now, right there, if I'll click on manage coordination spaces, it'll create a separate thing right there. I have previously created one coordination folder from right there. So that is why it is showing that it is previously created, but right now it's not activate. If I'll click on activate button right there, it will create the coordination folder in our project file shared. How I have done that thing, I'll create one more folder. If I'll click on create, I can name a particular coordination folder, coordination space right there, where all those files will be right there. So what I'll do, I'll create like clashes folder maybe. I can name it something clashes folder, and I need to select that from where I need to pick the models. Okay, so I'll go in project files, I'll click on shade, consider the shade one and go for with it. So I'll click on create. The coordination spaces folder will be based on our what we can say the shared folder. So that is how we can create, you can see the clashes folder, but right now it's not, yeah, it's activated. It's not activated. I'm not activating this one because otherwise there will be two folders of the same coordination space. So that is how we can create the folder structure for coordination spaces as well. Now, in our upcoming videos, we'll discuss about Insight first, then these three, and then we'll move on to the Revit model, and then we'll publish the models on BIM 360, and we'll review how actually BIM 360 works. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.